Welcome everyone to our shared window on the universe. Tonight, people all over the world are looking up, united under the vast night sky. We're here for a cosmic event that's been traveling through space for millennia, a meteor shower. The stars above aren't just distant lights, they're suns with their own planets, forming the backdrop for tonight's celestial fireworks. As we watch, remember, each streak of light is a story, connecting us to our ancestors and to the universe itself. The Southern Delta Aquariids are here, and the show is just beginning. Let's experience this together as one global community. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, what exactly is a meteor shower? Those sudden, brilliant streaks of light that seem to rain down from the heavens. What causes them, and why do they appear in such spectacular bursts? To understand meteor showers, imagine Earth as a traveler on a vast, invisible highway in space. This highway is littered with tiny bits of dust and rock, left behind by comets, those mysterious, icy wanderers that journey around the sun. As comets approach the sun, their icy surfaces heat up and release streams of dust and debris, creating long, ghostly trails that linger in space long after the comet has passed. Every year, as Earth continues its orbit, it inevitably crosses paths with these ancient debris fields. When this happens, countless tiny particles, some no bigger than grains of sand, slam into our atmosphere at astonishing speeds, often exceeding 90,000 miles per hour. The sheer velocity of these particles is mind-boggling, and it's this incredible speed that sets the stage for the dazzling show we see from the ground. As these cosmic visitors collide with the air high above us, friction causes them to heat up rapidly, igniting into brilliant streaks of light that we call meteors. Each flash is a tiny piece of space debris burning up in a fiery farewell, creating the illusion of stars falling from the sky. Most of these meteors are completely vaporized long before they reach the ground, dissolving into nothingness high in the atmosphere. Only the rare, larger fragments ever survive the journey to Earth's surface. So, despite what we might call them, meteor showers aren't really stars falling at all. Instead, they're the result of our planet's ongoing interaction with the ancient dusty remnants of comets, remnants that have been drifting through space for thousands, sometimes millions of years. Each meteor is a fleeting messenger from another world, a tiny fragment of cosmic history ending its journey in a brief, spectacular blaze of glory. For a moment, it lights up our sky, reminding us of the vastness and mystery of the universe beyond. Meteor showers are a beautiful reminder that our planet is part of a dynamic, ever-changing cosmic neighborhood. We are constantly moving through space, encountering the leftovers of ancient celestial events. So the next time you watch a meteor shower, remember, you're not just a spectator. You're a participant in an ongoing celestial dance, connected to the universe in ways both visible and invisible, sharing in the wonder of our cosmic journey. Tonight we turn our eyes to the heavens for a truly mesmerizing celestial event, the Southern Delta Aquariids meteor shower. This annual spectacle is a favorite among stargazers and skywatchers, offering a chance to witness nature's own fireworks display, as streaks of light dart across the night sky. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or simply someone who enjoys the beauty of the cosmos, tonight's show promises to be a memorable one. The Southern Delta Aquariids are peaking right now, as our planet Earth journeys through the thickest part of the debris stream left behind by Comet 96P Mach-Holtz. Imagine Earth as a ship sailing through a cosmic river of dust and tiny fragments, each one burning up in our atmosphere and creating those brilliant meteor streaks we see from the ground. This encounter with cometary debris is what makes meteor showers like this possible. If you trace the paths of these meteors backward, you'll notice they seem to originate from a single point in the sky, right near the constellation Aquarius, close to the star Delta Aquarii. This radiant is how the shower gets its name, and it's a helpful guide for where to look as you settle in for the show. Even if you're not familiar with constellations, just gazing toward the general area of Aquarius will increase your chances of spotting meteors. The Southern Delta Aquariids are especially well placed for observers in the southern hemisphere, where the radiant climbs higher in the sky and the meteors appear more frequently. If you're watching from Australia, South America, or Southern Africa, you're in the perfect spot to catch the best of this meteor shower. But don't worry, northern observers can still enjoy the show, especially if you have a clear view of the southern horizon. The source of this meteor shower, Comet Mach-Holtz, is a fascinating visitor to our solar system. It's a short-period comet, meaning it orbits the sun every 5 years or so. Each time it swings by, it leaves behind a fresh trail of dust and ice particles, replenishing the stream that Earth encounters every July. Thanks to Comet Mach-Holtz's regular visits, the southern Delta Aquariids remain a reliable and anticipated event for skywatchers year after year. At the shower's peak, under the darkest and clearest skies, you might spot anywhere from 15 to 20 meteors per hour. That's one every few minutes, enough to keep you looking up in anticipation. Some meteors will be bright and fast, leaving glowing trails, while others may be faint and fleeting. The experience is both peaceful and exhilarating, as you never know when the next meteor will streak overhead. However, light pollution from city lights and the presence of a nearly full moon can make it much harder to see the fainter meteors. To maximize your viewing experience, try to get as far away from artificial lights as possible. Rural areas, parks, or even a quiet backyard away from streetlights can make a big difference. The darker your surroundings, the more meteors you'll be able to see. If the moon is bright tonight, try to block its glare by positioning yourself so that it's behind a building, tree, or even your hand. Give your eyes at least 20 minutes to adjust to the darkness. Avoid looking at your phone or any bright lights during this time. The more your eyes adapt, the more meteors you'll catch, including the faintest ones that might otherwise go unnoticed. Above all, remember that patience and darkness are your best allies tonight. Find a comfortable spot, relax, and let your gaze wander across the sky. The longer you watch, the more meteors you'll see, and the more you'll appreciate the quiet wonder of this cosmic performance. Happy meteor hunting. You don't need telescopes or binoculars, just your eyes, a sense of curiosity, and a willingness to let the night sky draw you in. Stargazing is one of the simplest and most profound ways to connect with the cosmos, and it's accessible to everyone, no matter where you are. All you really need is a comfortable spot to lie back, maybe a soft blanket or reclining chair, and a little patience as your eyes adjust to the darkness. Gather your friends or family, or simply enjoy the solitude, and let the world around you fade away as you focus on the stars above. During a meteor shower, the meteors can appear anywhere in the sky, but if you trace their paths backward, you'll notice they seem to radiate from a single point, in this case, the constellation Aquarius. This radiant is your cosmic anchor, a reminder of the vast patterns that connect us to the universe. For the most spectacular views, look about 45 degrees away from the radiant. That's where you'll spot the longest, brightest meteor trails streaking across the sky, leaving you with a sense of awe and wonder. Give your eyes 20 to 30 minutes to fully adjust to the darkness. During this time, avoid looking at any bright lights or screens, as even a brief flash can set your night vision back and make it harder to see the fainter meteors. Turn off your phone, or at least dim the screen and keep it tucked away. The less artificial light, the more the universe will reveal itself to you. If you need to move around or check a star map, use a red flashlight. Red light is much less disruptive to your night vision than white light, allowing you to see what you need without losing your ability to spot meteors. This simple trick helps preserve your night vision, so you won't miss even the faintest shooting star. The best time for viewing is after midnight, when the sky is darkest and the radiant point of Aquarius climbs higher above the horizon. At this hour, the Earth is turned into the path of the meteoroid stream, increasing your chances of seeing more meteors. With Aquarius at its highest, the show truly begins. The constellations seem to dance across the sky, and each meteor is a fleeting reminder of our place in the cosmos. Whether you're in the southern hemisphere, gazing up from Australia or South America, or in the southern parts of the northern hemisphere, like the southern United States or the Mediterranean, the meteor shower is visible to all who take the time to look up. So gather your loved ones, lie back, and let your imagination wander. Watch as children point out shooting stars, and share in the excitement and wonder that comes from witnessing the universe in motion. Relax, look up, and let the universe reveal its wonders. In these quiet moments under the stars, you'll find your place in the cosmos, connected to something vast, beautiful, and timeless. The southern Delta Aquariids produce fast, faint meteors, quick streaks of light across the sky. Some leave glowing trains that linger for a few seconds, a ghostly echo of their passage. About 5–10% of these meteors leave such trains, so keep watching after a bright flash. Tonight, you might also spot Alpha Capricornids. Fewer in number, but famous for slow, bright, colorful fireballs. Trace the meteor's path. If it comes from Aquarius, it's a Delta Aquariid. From Capricornus, it's an Alpha Capricornid. Seeing both showers together is a rare treat, a cosmic bonus. Enjoy the anticipation and the surprise of each meteor. As we watch, remember, people everywhere are sharing this moment, united by wonder under the same sky. Comet 96P Mach-Holtz, discovered by amateur astronomer Donald Mach-Holtz, reminds us that anyone can explore the universe. Its unusual chemistry hints it might even be an interstellar visitor. Each meteor could be a fragment from the edge of our solar system, or beyond. Science gives context to our awe, turning beauty into a story about our origins and place in the cosmos. Thank you for joining this cosmic journey. Keep looking up, stay curious, and keep exploring. The adventure continues, together, under the stars.